Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku.co chart of the day. Starting in the FX space and looking at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is becoming a fairly popular instrument for traders. And importantly, over the last 3 or 4 days, we've seen the trend increasing to the upside on the daily charts here in terms of Ichimoku. A bull market in all 3 timeframes, trading above the Kijun-sen. The pink line here, I will do them in order. The Tenkan-sen, the green line, that's the short-term timeframe trend. The Kijun-sen, the pink line, is the medium-term timeframe trend. And the cloud here denotes the longer-term timeframe trend. And the Chica span here on the left gives us an indication of momentum and tends to confirm what we're seeing with the other indicators. So with the price activity here closing above each of the Ichimoku indicators, it suggests that we have a bull market in all 3 timeframes. And the Chica span above the corresponding price activity suggests that the move to the upside has been quite strong, and it remains strong and gives it more validity than if we had the Chica span not supporting that move to the upside. Now, in terms of price activity, over the previous couple of days to today, we saw some white body candles forming. There was some decent upside momentum, the buyers with strong control on each of those candles. For today, however, we haven't seen a change of trend technically. But what we have seen form is an inside day in bar chart terms, where we have a lower high and lower low, and also a doji type candle, and these denote indecision. Doji candle is a candle where there's virtually no body. The market opens and closes in the same area, and it suggests that there's been little net movement between the open and the close throughout the day, and really the size of the body suggests price acceptance, and this is a lack of price acceptance here, and does suggest that there's been fairly little movement in net terms and suggests indecision for this market. Also, this is a potential bearish harami type pattern, and at the end of a first time frame uptrend, we have a small body within the larger body of this previous white body, also a bearish harami cross type pattern to be more specific, and also pretty much a tweezers top pattern where we have the 2 highs around the same level. Now, with these potential for retracement, we have to have confirmation, so we're looking for a lower high and lower low to confirm, and that's the conservative manner in which we look at these retracements. These are only potential for retracement, potential reversal signals. Until they're confirmed with a lower high, lower low, we're not convinced that we are going to see any retracement. Now, upon any retracement, we will be looking for strong support to come in at the Tenkan-sen indicator trading at 5387, and then just down below there at the Kijun-sen at 4784. Now, just taking a look at our areas of support and resistance with Bitcoin versus US dollar, and the previous swing high at 5854 has come into play today as support. So we see a large shadow on the top and a shadow on the bottom of this candle. This candle, the shadows on the top and bottom of these candles represent price rejection, whereas the size of the body they represent price acceptance. So strong price rejection in both sides, and importantly, price rejection to the upside. The sellers losing commitment down below that 584 previous resistance, now turning into support. So that's a very important area. And if the market can close down below there, we could see a move back towards this Tenkan-sen. If we do see the market retrace and move down through the Tenkan-sen, looking for strong support to come in at the previous swing low at 5109. Then just using the Fibonacci extension technique here on Bitcoin US dollar, and looking at this upswing and comparing the first time frame uptrend that the market's in relation to this previous first time frame upswing here. And here we see the market for the previous day getting through that 50% level in a bullish manner, lack of follow through here now, and the market today finding resistance around that 50% level and being rejected from there suggests that there is potential for a change of trend, and as always, confirmation required.